It was Lady Churchill's birthday, but Sir Winston, too, was well in the picture as they left Hyde Park Gate to lunch with their daughter Mary and her husband, Mr. Christopher Soames. Lady Churchill, though it's hard to believe it, is 78. At Tufton Court, where the Soameses have a flat, it was just a small family gathering. It had to be small, said Mrs. Soames, because it's a very small flat. But how good it was for everybody, daughter Mary included, to see the happy warrior out visiting again. It's 55 years since the young Winston Churchill married Clementine Hosier, and then, as he himself says, lived happily ever after. Her birthday is the right occasion to wish many happy returns to Lady Churchill, and congratulations to both on a wonderful marriage.